Ta-da! So I braid my hair. So as was promised, this is the knotless braid tutorial on my relaxed hair, and this is the braiding pattern that I actually choose. Actually at the back I started plaiting them singular and to add the braids in, but then I realized that that wasn't going to work, so I just braid them to one side. So I know it looked crazy, but this is what the pattern that I actually use. This is the braid that I use, the expression Ghana realistic braid. And what I like about this braid is that it comes pre-stretched. So you know sometimes you buy the braids and the ends are blunt. Well, this one was already stretched, which means that all the work would have been done already, so there was no need for me to go in now and stretch the hair. So that's awesome, and the hair feels nice and soft, and it does look realistic. It looks like my own hair, so I love this braid and definitely would recommend it. Once I did all of that, then I pulled the braids out and I put it on this thing I have here. Now this is not necessarily something that is specifically used for braids. I use it to hang like my belts and so on. So I took it down and use it to put the braids on. What this does is to make it easier for me. So when I'm feeding the hair in, then all I need to do is to remove the hair from this hanging thing that I have here, and so it makes it a lot easier. So if you have something like this that you can separate the hair and get it prepped and ready to install, then this would be something awesome that you can do. So now I'm getting my hair ready to add in the braids. So I'm doing the feeding method, and what I'm adding to my hair, I had the jam at the roots, or edge control. In this case I'm using an edge control. This is what it is actually looking like. Now this edge control, it doesn't have a strong smell really, and it doesn't hold the hair very tight either. So once it gets hot, it is going to melt, so it's kind of oily. But I like that about it because it's not going to make my hair stiff, because some of them does make your hair feel stiff and dry, but this does not. So I use it at the root around the natural hair. So as you see here, I'm going to apply it just to the root section. So I'm not applying it onto the area that has on relaxed hair. I'm just adding it to the new growth. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in now and I'm going to apply the Blue Magic Hair Oil, and this is the one I use. I use the white one, and this one doesn't come with the little stuff in it. It's clear inside and it's quite conditioning on the hair, so I'm putting that on the relaxed section before I start to braid the hair, and I'm just going to smooth it out on the relaxed hair section. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to separate the hair into 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my time and I'm going to braid my hair by itself first. And then afterward now I'm going to start adding the hair. So let's add the hair after I do another braid. So now I'm going to take up the hair off that little thing that I showed you earlier. And then I add the hair. And if you notice, I put it one end down first. Then I'm going to take the other end and put it in, and then I'm going to continue to braid and then add another piece and keep doing that. So you realize that this technique is quite repetitive, so I'll definitely be showing you when I'm doing another braid. So this is how I add the hair as I go along. So I braid for a little while and then I'm going to add another piece of hair. So in all, I've added 3 pieces already. And then I'm going to continue to braid the hair all the way down. And if I need to add more pieces, then I'll definitely add it as I go along. So based on the length here that you want, you can go ahead and add more pieces to it until you get the desired length that you desire. Just keep in mind that the thicker your hair is the less hair you add in. So if your hair is more dense or thick, then you'll have less hair, and if your hair is a fine texture or less dense, then you'll have more hair so that you'll get the desired look that you're looking for. As well as if your hair is very dense and you have had a lot of hair, then it might make your hair quite heavy. And so if you don't want it to be heavy, then you had the hair according to the thickness of your hair. So here is another closer look for you to be able to learn how to do this style at home by yourself. So here we go again, separating the hair in 3 pieces, and then we are going to braid the natural hair by itself for a little bit, and then after we do that, we are going to add in a piece of braid. So we had one section first to the middle section, and then we braid for a little bit, take down that part that we left out and add it back in, braid for a little while, and then add more hair, and you keep doing that until you reach your desired length. Let me know in the comment section if this hairstyle is a hairstyle you think that you could manage to do on your own. Seeing that I just showed you how you would add the hair, let me know in the comment section if you think that you'll be able to do this hairstyle on your own. So this is how it is looking from the front, and it's looking quite natural. As I had mentioned earlier in the other video, I did say that I only was able to capture a few bits and pieces of this hairstyle. So I sharing it with you now, and I hope that it will be of benefit to you. So this is how it's looking, and I'm quite impressed with how it is turning out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So this is what it is looking like, guys. And I put some curl at the end, as you can see there, and I can wear it on any side I want to wear it. So this is how it is looking. Let me know what you think in the comment section, so I can take it over here and I can put it on this side like so. So let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are.